What's going on, everybody? It's Eric here, making another video for everyone. Today the video is going to be about a high of day reversal strategy or a high of day short. You call it whatever you want, but it's going to be a little bit of info in regards to basically shorting the lower high of the day. To keep it simple. MRIN is what we're talking about. It had its first red day on the fourth day, actually. Here's the daily chart. We see a gap up. It tests, shoots straight back up. 3 green days. Fourth day is a red day. Comes down. That's a pattern. Lately, it's been a little bit less consistent for the first red day, but this is still something to definitely watch for. Still something that definitely happens. So you just got to learn and figure out if this is the stock that is doing it in. Now, around 10, 10:30, or 11, you start to see reversals. You start to see things change in a stock. Okay, so these green lines are my support and resistance lines that I drew, which you could see how to draw them in another video. So the stock opens up. First thing it does, it hits a support that I drew from a previous day, which was a previous high. It was a previous resistance, now became a support. So first thing it does, it shoots up. It plays around the previous close, shoots up still, hits the previous day's high, comes back down, hits the 9, goes straight up through it, comes back down, tests that previous high, shows support there, goes up, plays around the 9, comes down, hits VWAP, shoots up, plays around the 9. Now this is a part where people get confused. They think this is the double top. Sometimes it can be. With this stock, it definitely fakes people out. I'll make another video in regards to this fake out pattern, but this time we're just going to do the high day reversal. So it keeps going up, keeps going up, keeps going up. You see it hit this whole dollar here, which is going to be 12, which is a mental thing to do, is breaking a whole dollar. That's hard to do. People don't expect it to happen. They lock in profits beforehand. And that's what this is. People buy down here, buy down here, buy here. They're trying to lock in profits. And that's what happened. You know, they're not thinking this is going to go up much higher. So people are locking in. They see the range of the candles and everything of the pattern. It's just tightening up. It's consolidating. And then they see this, you know, tons of wicks, no range, slightly lower volume. Then they see a lower high. Now this right here, this is a big point. They see this lower high and shorts pile in. Boom, it's down. It's quick. See, this is 1, 2, 3 minutes. You know, you have roughly 3 minutes to have a response time. Otherwise, you're going to miss a big move, you know? And then it comes down, tests the 9, shoots straight down again. The 9 cracks the 50. Once that 9 cracks the 50, you can, you know, feel like it's pretty bearish. You could either cover at VWAP or, again, cover at this line that you drew previously. Again, support and resistance. If you shorted it down from here to there, that's $1.50 you made. Say you got in even $11.85. You'll risk slightly above there, so you risk 20 cents maybe. So $12.04, yeah, because you want to risk a penny or a couple pennies above the previous high, just because sometimes the algos will shake you out by going a penny or two above right before they drop it. So you want to risk a little bit above. So say you risk 22 cents, or where are we at? Whatever. Say you risk 22 cents. If you get to down here, you know, you're making $1.4. Great risk reward. Great risk reward. You could even lock some in along the way. Now, as you see, it sets in a... I'm just basically doing a commentary of the whole stock at this point. It sets in a higher low, little long pattern, boom. Now this, on the 5-minute chart, you could use this as another pattern for another lower high, a high of day reversal. You could use this as an entry point because the high of day reversal works on multiple time frames. You can use this as an entry point. You short from here, ride it all the way down. Now, If you shorted all the way up here, you would have to risk up there. That's kind of hard. If you waited for it to fall back under VWAP and for that 9 to show a true failure on the 50 and the 50 to fall below VWAP, that would be crucial. So say you get right here, if you get in a little bit early, you can get in here. You could risk right above that point. So you risk 66 cents just to be safe. You're going to risk 66 cents. $68, whatever cents. Then you could risk down to that same line you drew where it showed support earlier. So 66 cents for $1.80. You know, you're locking in $1.80. So basically 1 to 3 risk reward. You're risking 66 to make 180. So that would be a good trade. And that's, again, that's another short you could take. And then it just keeps going down all day, all day. Again, see, lower high, boom, keeps going down. It just keeps going. That's how it works. And if you guys have any questions in regards to these levels that I have drawn out here, just watch my previous support and resistance video. I go into detail with these and how I make them, how I find them. Until next time, guys, this is my high of day reversal pattern, my high of day short pattern, whatever you want to call it. But my name is Eric. Feel free to ask any questions. Have a great one, guys.